Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we're here to do unboxing of this Franklin sensors stud finder. This is a professional stud finder. The model is ProSensor M70. Can 1.5 inches max detection depth, and it has this 7 sensor. Let's see this light, LED light. Those are the sensors. Or underneath there's a 7 sensor, and then this LED light will light up when you hit the stud. So let's open this box. I actually opened this already earlier, but this is small. There's a bigger version of this, which is like around 60 or $70 Canadian dollars, but this one is only $30 that I bought from Canadian Tire. And that's what's inside. And this one is a warranty card and user manual. There you go. Slide it and open it, and it says here need 2 AAA battery, and it says alkaline battery only, no rechargeable battery. So this is alkaline battery 1.5. So AAA. Oops. Then this. And then put it this way and this way, then close it like that, and then push it to the left. See? So alright, let's try this on my wall. Okay, let's try this to this wall. You can remove this something like indicator or tape. Don't need it. Then see, press this button and then move it sideways slowly. See, the green light, that's the middle of the stud, and the left, a red one, is the edge of the stud, and the other one is the edge of the right side. So as you move, you will see that you're passing a stud. So it will not light up if there's no stud. Okay. I'll move the camera a bit. You will see. So from here, there's one stud here, one here, and then one here. Again, this is a Franklin sensors. Some of this ProSensor M70. You can buy it from Home Depot. Here in Canada, I bought it from Canadian Tire for 30 Canadian dollars. Alright, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.